What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Fatkat, of course, bringing you another video, man. So as you guys see, man, I'm getting out of work again. Did you guys a little, cold start. It didn't stay on, and at first I was like, what the hell happened to my car, man? Why did it turn back off? But the reason why I turned back off is because I only got 25 miles to the gallon left, or 25 miles left as far as gas range. So I gotta go fill up, which is a perfect time to make a video, man. I forgot about that. I was thinking about it when I was coming out here. I was like, oh, I'm gonna make a video about how much it costs to fill up and everything else. But I forgot that when you have under a certain range left, your car, I guess, won't stay in remote start. Oh, that's the wife. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we are back, man. So like I said, I think this is the perfect time. I know a lot of people always ask, what kind of gas mileage do you get? How much does it cost to fill up? So here we go, man. So I'm gonna show you guys right here. So as you guys can see, I currently just hit 606 miles. So as you can see on the trip, right, it was actually, it's been 606 miles that, it's been recording on the trip. I mean, obviously it wasn't the whole time on one tick of gas, but anyway, but regardless though, so the gas mileage, I guess I've been averaging is 17.1 miles per gallon, and that is on, as you guys can see up here, that's on eco mode, man. So on eco mode, I've been averaging about 17 miles per gallon. Look at that. It just went down a tenth of a mile sitting here in the parking lot. So that gives you an idea of what kind of gas mileage you get out of these cars. When you're sitting in one spot, it still goes down. But anyway, so there you go, man. So let's take this car to the gas station real quick, and I'll show you guys how much it costs to fill up. Of course, next to me I had the G-Wagon. G-Wagon. Sorry, man, I had to do it. So there I go, man. So you guys got what it was. I think it was $48.60, essentially from completely empty all the way to full, man. So there you go. That's what it is. And then this was the range that they gave me. $314 miles. So and my MPG just went down again. I just went to the gas station, and my MPG went back down. Anyway, so yeah, so 314 miles range to empty. I get about 17. It just went down again, man. What the hell? Anyway, so I get about 17 miles to the gallon. That was driving around on eco mode. So I could just imagine when you're actually getting on it in sport mode or track mode, even worse than that. Probably 14 to 15, I would imagine. But I'll see as the time goes on. I'll see what I get. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video, man. I just want to do a short video of what kind of gas mileage I'm getting so far. Like I said, kind of even as I'm babying it, and how much it took basically to fill all the way up to full, essentially from empty. Because you see, guys, I had about 20 miles left to empty when I went to the gas station or went to go fill up. So that's it for this video, man. I greatly appreciate it. Again, I want to say thank you to everyone who subscribed thus far especially over the last week and a half. Ever since I got this car, man, I greatly appreciate it. From my last video, I think I was at 696. By the time I posted, I was over 700, and I think we're about to hit 800 already, man. By the time I started recording this video, less than 24 hours later. So again, 100% gratitude. Thank you very much. I'm deeply humbled, and I greatly appreciate all the love and support that I've gotten thus far, man. Anyway, with that being said, I said it again. I gotta stop saying that. So with that, make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys comment down below. Make sure you guys share this video, and make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys can get all of my videos that I'm gonna be posting up, man. So I got a lot of things, a lot of ideas in the head and different things I want to start doing videos of. So make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys can catch everything and stay up to date on the build on this car and what we're gonna do with it. I've been loving it so far, man, and it's only gonna get better. So again, I greatly appreciate it, man. Make sure you guys share with all your friends and your family and everything else, so we could go ahead and get this thing, like I said, on and popping, as they like to say. But we definitely going to get this car right. I'm aiming to be the nicest Scat Pack Charger on YouTube, man. That's my goal, that's my aim. So hopefully we're gonna get there, man. And when I say the nicest, I don't mean the nicest down the track. I don't mean the nicest what I mean, like literally just the nicest car or Charger Scat Pack on YouTube, period. So anyway, so with that being said, man, I greatly appreciate it again. We'll see you guys on the next one, man. Later.